When placing an order for your lenses at Essilor, the customer experience agents take all the necessary information for its production. A moment later, the order is automatically transferred to one of our prescription laboratories. The lenses then begin their journey through the various stages of manufacturing. The semi-finished lenses corresponding to the order are received and verified by an operator and sent to the production line. The carton box and the white plastic lens holder are sorted for recycling. A protective film is applied to protect the front surface of the lenses. It is the step of filming. An insert and a ring are positioned in the blocker. The protected surface of the lens is precisely put in position. Then, a liquid alloy is poured between the insert and the lens in order to attach them together. This now makes the lenses able to be handled by automated machines. The back side of the lens is surfaced by the generator with extreme precision according to the prescription requirements. Cutting oil used in this surfacing step is recirculated in a closed loop while all the lost lenses material is recovered to be recycled. At this stage, the surface of the lens is still rough. Polishing is performed for several minutes to make the back surface perfectly smooth and transparent. Here too, and in all other machines, the liquid used is recirculated continually in a closed loop. A laser engraves in each progressive lens a small identification to position the design and identify lenses. The insert is no longer required for the rest of the journey of the lenses. The alloy is thus melted and recovered for reuse at the blocking step. Inserts are sorted to be reused for a future order. Knives make an incision to the protective film, while a powerful water jet allows that film to be removed from the lenses. At this point, the optical parameters of the lens are those of your order and will not change. Different measures are taken to check the optical compliance of each lens according to the highest quality standards of the industry. If the lenses are to be tinted, they are sent to the tinting laboratory. Each lens is then soaked in different baths depending on the desired hue. They are then verified by comparing them with the reference samples. The lenses are sorted